with the 10.3. In this 10.3, we're going to learn about the mechanism of heartbeat. Okay, so 10.3.1 describe the human heartbeat mechanism, sinoatrial node, atrioventricular node, bundle of his Purkinje fibers, and then 10.3.2 communicate about force that cause the blood to circulate in humans, especially pumping of the heart and contraction of skeletal muscle. So these are the learning outcomes for this subtopic. Okay, so let us move on to the first topic, subtopic or first topic. Okay, 10.3 mechanism of heartbeat. Okay, how is blood circulated to the whole body? In every contraction, the heart acts as pump that pumps blood to the whole body. How is every heartbeat triggered and sustained? So, in every contraction, heart acts as a pump. So, it will pump the blood to the whole body. So, how? How does heartbeat actually help to circulate the blood to the whole body? So, the heart is made up of cardiac muscle. So, you still remember cardiac muscle? This cardiac muscle only can only be found in the heart. Okay, that intersect and are connected with one another. So this is cardiac muscles tissue. So they are actually connected to each other. Okay, like this, and also they are actually intersect. Okay, another one can pass through the like this. So this one is below here. So they are intersect with each other because this arrangement allows electric impulse to spread rapidly through the heart and at the same time stimulates the cardiac muscle cells to contract simultaneously and uniformly. So when the impulse, when the cardiac muscle receive the impulse, not receive impulse lah, actually, they can relax and contract by themselves lah. But the impulse will pass through here, and then it can also make sure that the muscle cell, all the muscle cell here will contract and relax simultaneously and uniformly. So at the same time. So this all cardiac muscle will relax and contract. Okay. So cardiac muscles are myogenic. Myogenic means that the heart contracts and relaxes without receiving any impulse signal from the nervous system. So that's what makes this heartbeat as an involuntary action. You still remember we cannot control this action because this cardiac muscle can contract and relax without receiving any impulse signal from the nervous system. So we don't have to wait for nervous system to send the impulse to the heart so that they will beat. No, this muscle can contract and relax by themselves. Okay, so how do they know? Because if the cardiac muscles are stored in a warm oxygenated solution that contains nutrients, this muscle will contract and relax rhythmically on their own. So actually, if you take out these cardiac muscles and from maybe from the heart and then put in the warm oxygenated solution and with nutrients, they can contract and relax. Okay, on their own. So this is a special about the cardiac muscles. Okay, they are myogenic. So the words here you must remember myogenic, contracts and relax without receiving any impulse signal from the nervous system. So that's why this is actually one of involuntary action in our body. Okay. So blood circulation in humans. Okay. How the blood circulates in our body. So the produced force that enables blood to circulate in human is generated by the pumping of the heart and the contraction of the skeletal muscle. So these two, okay, force the pumping of the heart and contraction of the skeletal muscle will help the blood to flow. Later we are going to explain how. But these two factors that will help to make the blood flow inside our body. The force from the pumping of the heart and contraction of the skeletal muscle. Okay, this one, this diagram show you a part of heart that involved in this heartbeat. First, we have this sinoatrial node located at the atrium here, right atrium. Okay, and then we have atrioventricular nodes, so between the atrium and ventricles, here at the right part. And then we have the bundle of His. Bundle of His actually connected to this atrioventricular node, and also we have the Purkinje fibers. So this actually involved in the heartbeat that help to circulate the body to all parts, the blood to all parts of the body. Okay, later I will explain to you how this cerebral node also known and this all the atrioventricular node, bundle of His and Purkinje fibers works to help heartbeat.